What's up guys, everything and back again with another video, and today we have the new Realme GT Explorer Edition in this beautiful looking stylish retail package. Before starting, let me notify you that this video is sponsored by Binomo, a next gen trading app. We will talk about that later and also how you can win a Honor 50 Pro by just downloading this app. Anyways, as you can see, the box carries a huge Realme tag over the top along with that famous Japanese designer signature and the phone's model name, that is Realme GT Explorer Edition. Overall, the box is looking really classy and not a huge box like what we see on Oppo and Vivo devices. The pricing details are not mentioned on the package, but you can find it in the description area. Anyways, let's quickly remove the plastic film wrapped around it and open the lid to check out the latest offering by Realme. Right away after opening the package, we are getting a leaflet containing some basic documentations like manual, warranty and some other stuffs which are really not important that we waste our time to check out them one by one. Moving further, we can see the phone itself. Let's put this aside and have a look to other stuffs. Now this is something which impressed me a lot. This is the beautiful sturdy case designed just like the back of the phone, so that you don't have to compromise with the beautiful design which Realme made possible in collaboration with Japanese designer Naoto Fukazawa. The quality of case is looking really good and strong and something which can last for a long period of time. I have no complaint with this. In addition, we are getting a huge power brick which is again a super fast 65-watt charger, which is just amazing. I think this thing is capable to completely charge a device within half an hour or maybe less than that. So obviously a good job by the company. This phone does not include a headphone jack, so if you are looking for a pair of headphones here, then you will not get it. There's also a USB Type-C cable which is looking of quite good quality. So that's all we are getting here in this overall unboxing experience, and it's time to check out the phone now. So here's the new Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. That's a quite big name though. Right away when you remove the plastics, you can see the beauty of this device. It looks really beautiful. The Realme GT Master Explorer Edition stands out particularly with its one of its kind suitcase leather design featuring the artwork of Muji's iconic designer Naoto Fukazawa. At first glance, it seems that the rear of this phone does have a high degree of similarity with the outer surface of the suitcase. The reason for this feeling is mainly because Realme brings the common texture on the suitcase to back cover of the phone. The back has three-dimensional shape plain leather which is synthesized by hot pressing the polymer substrate along with that sturdy leather, and it looks really beautiful. The texture feels really good to touch and I have no complaints from the design department. The phone has a metallic frame with microphone jack on the top, volume rockers on the left, USB Type-C port and speaker grills on the bottom and power button on the right. Anyways, now let's quickly boot up this device and have a look to its technical specifications. In terms of first impressions, the display looks really beautiful. It is slightly curved on the edges which gives it a premium and trendy look, although I am not a big fan of a curved display. There is a punch hole cutout on the top left corner of the screen housing a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The Master Explorer Edition has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution. To spice things up, it comes with a 120Hz refresh rate along with a whopping 480Hz touch sampling rate, which makes the interface super smooth and quick. Software inside this phone is Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. Now coming to the main thing, the performance area. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Snapdragon 870 SoC, which is really powerful. We have conducted a benchmark test and here are the results. We also did a gaming review of this device and it really impressed us. We didn't see any stuttering or frame drops even while playing intensive of games on high refresh rate. So obviously this is one of the best entry-level devices with amazing gaming performance that you can buy right now. Before moving further, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Binomo. The Binomo trading platform is a simple and convenient tool for online trading. Even though if you're not a professional in trading, Binomo gives you a free demo account by which you can easily practice trading and trade on different stocks without losing any fund. You can choose so many assets on this and open multiple positions at the same time. If your predictions will be right, you can earn a huge amount of money in a short period of time. We have some giveaways lined up for this week with only 2 entries till now, so if you want to participate in that, just download Bynamo and leave a comment in this video. Make sure to download Bynamo from the link in the description only. For photography, the Master Explorer Edition has a triple camera setup on the rear with a 50 megapixel main, 60 megapixel ultra wide angle and another 2 megapixel macro shooter. We will share some camera samples soon in our future videos, so just stay tuned with us. The phone has a 4500 mAh of battery with 65 watt fast charging, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos and high resolution audio support and NFC connectivity. So this is it for a quick unboxing experience of the new Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Let me know what are your opinions about this device in comments below. The pricing details will be in the description, so make sure to check out that before leaving and also download the Bynamo app to ensure your entry. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified, and as always keep watching and keep smiling.